Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 automatic leveling meter. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Woodworking 4D16 Green Line. Specifications. Brand name, Cool Cells. Origin, Mainland China. Size, 12.5 by 10.5 by 12. 4 centimeters. Certification, C. Plug type, U. Is smart device, no. Is _customized, yes. Model number, 16 lines. Measurement model, 16 lines. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. The item number 4 is Multi-Purpose High Precision. Specifications. Brand name, XMSJ. Model number, BWX12. Measurement model, 12 lines. Type, rotary lasers. Origin, Mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Mach-E to 16 line laser. Specifications. Brand name, no N name _null. Wavelength, 550 nanometers. Precision, 5 meters ± 1 millimeter. Size, 14 by 14 by 7 cm. Model number, 16 lines laser level. Measurement model, 16 lines. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Working distance, 30 meters. Measurement model, 16 lines laser level. The item number 2 is Hupar 12 lines 3D laser level. Specifications. Brand name, Hupar. Wavelength, 505 to 520 nanometers. Precision, 3 mm / 10 meters. Size, 289 by 109 by 258 Model number, LS03CG. Measurement model, 12 lines. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Origin, Mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. Color, green beams. Self-leveling time, 3 seconds. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Bosch 12 lines laser level green. Specifications. Brand name, Bosch. Size, 149 by 84 by 142 Origin, Mainland China. Certification, C. Precision, 0.3 mm /m. Is smart device, no. Model number, GLL360XG. Measurement model, 12 lines. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.